Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites, a logged-in Google account and stable internet. Once done, open Chrome on desktop or Settings on your Android device. Make sure your device has an active lock screen because Google requires it for some sync options. Next, sign into Chrome or Android with the same Google account. This links bookmarks, history, and passwords. As you enter credentials, watch for the prompt to turn on sync, tap or click it to start the sync setup immediately. Once signed in, go to Sync Settings to control what transfers across devices. On desktop, open Chrome right arrow Settings, right arrow Sync and Google Services, then manage what you sync. Choose either Sync Everything or pick items like passwords and extensions. On Android, go to Settings, right arrow Google, right arrow Account Services, right arrow Sync, and toggle individual data types. Customize because selective sync reduces data exposure and saves bandwidth. Also enable encryption with your Google password if you want extra privacy. This protects synced data while still allowing multi-device access. To finish, confirm sync is active. Chrome displays your account icon and a synced state message. Once confirmed, allow time for initial upload. Larger profiles take minutes. If something fails, first try a quick fix, sign out and sign back in, or toggle sync off and on to force refresh. Make sure Chrome is up to date and that account permissions allow sync. If problems continue, clear browser cache and check device time settings. Incorrect clocks can block sync authentication, so correct the time and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.